Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. Radeon RX 550 gaming 8G and then hit enter. After that your graphic card search on this website. And then click on the product. And select this is 1.2.0 1.1 1.1. So you can see this is version different but driver same. You just click on it. Then click on support. Then select operating system Windows 10 and 11. All operating system Windows 7 installations process same, driver download same. Select your driver and this is NVIDIA driver and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see it will take some time and depend about your internet speed. After that, click on three dot in the corner and then click on download. Then it is completed. Then click on it. Open this icon to open where it is downloading. After that, this one, right click and run as administrator. Otherwise, show more and run as administrator to click. Then click on yes. After that, this is installing. It will take some time and it is completed all driver. Then restart your system.